First responders say resources are being stretched thinly as COVID-19 cases rise in the area.
Local News 8's Andrew Howe shows us why some emergency services are seeing delays in response times and some services are just being canceled.
That's right. The fire chief as well as the EMS chief in Idaho Falls are urging the public to revamp their efforts to prevent the spread of COVID-19. They say that a rise in COVID cases is impeding their ability to respond to all types of emergency situations.
If your loved one has a cardiac event or a stroke, or you're in a vehicle accident, fall off the roof, whatever the call that actually comes in for us, it is probably at this point in time, because of our numbers today, going to be delayed.
In a meeting with Eastern Idaho Public Health this morning, Fire Chief Dwayne Nelson made a plea for the public to increase their effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
The calls are coming too fast. We're running out of ambulances nearly every day now with the staffing that is normal.
EMS Chief Eric Day says that total callouts are up and COVID is further complicating the ability to respond.
COVID has increased the number of calls that are coming in, which puts increased demand on our system, and the exposures that our employees get both from the community and from the job decreases the number of responders that are available to serve the public.
Day says Idaho Falls has already had to deny certain services, including several transport requests from hospitals around the region. His call to action is a familiar one.
The wearing of masks is the number one thing that people can do to protect themselves and to protect the emergency responders and healthcare workers.
Chief Day says that firefighters and paramedics who have tested positive for the coronavirus and are symptomatic are required to take a 2-week quarantine and isolate at that time. Those who are not showing symptoms actually have been approved by the CDC to return to work so that they can get to those emergency situations in a timely manner. Of course, other precautions are in place when those employees do return back to their duties. Reporting in Idaho Falls, I'm Andrew Howe.
Thanks, Andrew. When it comes to wearing